Hi guys. Um, I was thinking to go live since yesterday after that news came up, but I was totally shattered. I was shocked. I was disheartened that somebody like Sushant Singh Rajput could do this, and I just feel so much pain in my heart. I didn't have the guts to come out and talk to you because I knew that I wouldn't do justice of what I want to tell you guys out there. So today, I know it's my moral duty as a coach to be there out for everybody who needs help. So, firstly, I just want to begin with saying that you are not alone. I am there for you. I have a strong family. I don't have friends. You all people watching me right now, everyone is my friend and everyone is in my inner network. So please reach out to me if you just need somebody to hear you without any biases. Yesterday, while watching the news, everybody was discussing about what could be the possible reason why Sushant Singh committed suicide, what made him take this massive step. And everybody, we all know he had some amazing movies in his bucket. He had amazing growth in his career. He was a people's man. He contributed a lot. He was having enough money to pre-plan his life. He had recognition. All his needs were in place except for one, and that is pointed out by all the experts on the news channel, by the TV actors. Everybody pointed out that one missing link in his journey, and that was love. That was relationship. Guys, this is what I've been trying to tell you since day one. I mean, the moment I had feel that same thing in my life, I had felt it, that how a relationship can make or break a person, literally. And that is that one drive I had in my mind, that if I want to contribute to the society, if I want to give back, I will help people to mend their relationship, because we do not realize the strength that a relationship can give you. And this is why I will always choose a committed relationship over instant Tinder pleasure. Nowadays, people want everything quick, everything instant. People want pleasure. But how is that one night stand pleasure going to be there for you when you really need someone? Your parents are 2 generations elder to you. They have their role. उन्होंने अपना काम किया, अब वो चले जाएंगे. Your kids, you will raise them and they will set for their future. Few years down the line, who is going to be there for you? Guys, your relationship. Your partner will be there for you no matter लड़ते झगड़ते कैसे भी. But you guys will be, you will be having back of the mind, I am not alone. And that partner of yours has known you in the rawest state. He is knowing you since you guys have been married or since you guys have been in relationship, and they know. I'm actually shivering, guys, so I'm sorry if I burst out. I'm really sorry. Teresa, I don't know. He did not commit suicide. He was not depressed. You know him very well. I don't know what is the reason, Teresa, but something like this happening is. And I have one of my cousin very close into the media circle, and she has confirmed that he was being treated in depression since, even if it is not a suicide, but he was depressed. He was not having the kind of intimate relationship or a kind of relationship that a person should have to vent out his feelings. So even if it is not a suicide, but the fact that he was in depression and he was treated for like last 6 months or something like that was there, and this is not confirmed by the news. One of my cousin have told me this thing yesterday while we were talking. I was literally not in the state But yes, Teresa, you might be right. I might not trust media, but whatever it is, I just want to be out for everybody. I just want to confirm you guys that please do not think, if you are also thinking of such negative thoughts, please talk to somebody who is there bonded with you. I'm sure that one partner of yours who is very, very true to yourself and who is committed to your relationship knows you, that you are a raw person and you do not have to behave in front of that person, and that person will listen to you without passing any judgments. This is the second thing today I want to tell everybody out there. Please find toxic people around you and stay away from them. You do not have any idea what these people might do to your subconscious. Teresa, I am not being, I don't know what you are telling about. It's not true, it's false. This is okay. Let's not get into the debate of what happened to Sushant Singh Rajput. But these things are getting over and over again. During lockdown, there are a lot of breakups happening. There are a lot of divorces happening. There are a lot of other things happening with the people. And I just want to talk to my committee that my community, my people, my inner circle should be strong. Because you have me. If you feel that there is something going around in your head and you feel often bad about yourself, you have question on your identity, you have question about, you are not good, even for the slightest, please reach out, guys, because I don't want to be one of the person who is just uploading a status that let me lend a ear, let me lend a arm and shoulder to cry for. I actually want to commit in front of everybody and tell everyone that I am there for you guys. As a coach, it's my moral duty, and as a person, I feel that what I felt some months back, people shouldn't go through the same. I have been in that phase. I have also hit by postpartum depression. Guys, this is the most vulnerable thing I'm going to share with you guys. Postpartum depression. After my delivery, after having the feeling of having my baby in my arms, I was not happy. And I used to wake up every morning seeing my dead body kept, and my family and Viha around me crying, and everybody telling that what will Viha do? How will we handle Viha? Please get up, Ruchi. And that is not something I could fake it. I could dream. It's not dream. It was a nightmare. And every morning I used to wake up with this nightmare because I was hit by depression. And I know what is that feeling, because I know that किस तरह से I used to shout at people, and I used to tell people that मैं कैद हूँ अंदर, release me, free, give me that freedom that I want. I am not myself. I'll do something. I was not even happy that people were loving my daughter, because I was not in the state. And it was not because it's me. I'm not that character. You guys know me. It's been like all my inner friends and everybody knows how bubbly I am, how happy I am. But that depression it kills you from inside. It's invisible. People cannot see the symptoms. People do not understand what you are going through, because that's it in your mind. And people will think that it's okay, there are hormonal changes, hota hai, because you are into that responsibility. It's not because of the responsibility that I was feeling this sick feeling every morning, and it went up to 2 months. I actually reached out to my husband and I cried my lungs out saying, help me or I will die. And that moment he took me very, very seriously, without judging me, without telling me that you've become weak or you've become so loose. You don't act like a loser, Ruchi. He never commented any of those things, and he helped me. And I am here standing right in front of you to contribute, because that I could pass over that phase. But there are a lot of people who couldn't pass over that phase and who are left with no help. So please guys, this is a message to everyone out there. Those who are in live, thank you for joining me live, and those who will see this video later on, pass this video to as many people you can. Tag them so that I can assure them that whatever it is, we will do it together. We will pass this phase together, and I promise you that. I don't want to get into any, I'm sorry, I'm getting too emotional right now, I'm sorry for that, but this has affected me a lot. Okay, just give me a minute please guys, I'm sorry. This has never happened before, so I'm sorry about it guys. Okay, I can be open with you all, I know that for sure. I have the strength, and I can help you all too, because we all are powerful from within. Gemini is here, and Gemini has taught me that if I stand like that, I will never have the power. I will have to put my fist to unleash that power in me, and that is what I am here for, guys. You will all have to trust yourself, fight the feelings, negativity around you, hunt for the toxic people that is creating a negative impact in your life. How they look good, in front of you. They will be as normal as you are, but they will judge you. They are envious of you, they'll be jealous of you, and they will spread negativity that will affect your subconscious mind. And nobody has that damn right to have any negative saying about you, because it's your journey. You have lived it, and you have known the struggle, and you have overcome the struggle by yourself. So nobody on this planet has the right to talk or think or pass a judgment about you, because they don't know. They are not in your shoes. So likewise, I just want to be out there. I have a dedicated system. I have tools where I can help you recognize your current state of mind. I also got this link yesterday where you can just find not a medical proven thing, but you can find out whether you are in a current state of depression or not, and how intense it is. It is moderate, because depression can be momentary. Yesterday was a depressing day for me because I was taken aback a lot. So it might be momentary, but if it is getting on and on and on, I will share that link in the comment after the live is done, and you guys can check it out. It's just to know whether you are in any stages of the depression or not, and if it is severe, you will be having the strength and the courage to go and open up to somebody. A coach maybe can help you out of it, or maybe if you think that it is really something very intense, we can actually go and seek a medical help, because that is where professionals are needed. So guys, please, this call is just to be out there to you all and assure you that you are not alone in this journey. I don't know everybody who is facing what kind of problem at the current moment. Even while listening with me, if you have that one thought also कि हाँ मेरा ये problem है in your subconscious right away, that is what is hitting you. Get it resolved. I will help you mend your relationships for sure. Bring that life partner, give him that position to help you for life. I have also shared the link right now in the comment section in the live. Please make the best use of the tools that we coaches are developing for you. Be out there, approach us. We are not going to judge you. We are an open slate. We have to help you out, and that's what I am talking to you guys about. That's it. I'll sign off, because I don't want to talk much about anything anymore, and I don't want to get into any complications. But you guys, thanks for being there, and please approach if you need any help. I'll be there for you guys. Bye bye. Thanks for listening me out, guys. Bye.